in this tutorial, we're just looking over the Cookiebox add-on, which essentially just displays the Cookiebox GDPR client and asks your customers or your users if they want to accept cookies or not. So let's have a look at how to set it up. Straight away, you're going to want to look at the theme settings and locate the Debutify add-ons. Scroll down to Cookiebox and make sure that it's activated. And then just move out of there and go to the Cookiebox add-on itself. Now, what does it mean when it says use draw colors? Well, if you're on the mobile version in the Shopify theme editor, you can see those little 3 lines on the top left. Those colors that pop out will represent the Cookiebox colors as well. And then it's up to you what you want to say inside of the Cookiebox itself. Make sure this is congruent with your brand, and good luck. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.